The world has changed. Consumers shop 24/7. Goods are coming from all over the world, and they expect these products to be available and in stock. If not, they will quickly move to another banner. Supply chain players are not aligned, and they need to face problems of a different nature, like out of stock, out of codes products, overstock, and inefficient production. The focus must then shift to a demand-driven supply chain, switching to a more frequent direct distribution center replenishment based on recurrent demand. With more than 30 years of experience in exporting products worldwide, Agrilogistica has created CSI, Cloud Sourcing Intelligence, a proprietary software that generates automated replenishment programs by connecting and analyzing the information coming from all of the supply chain players. Through CSI, Automated Replenishment Program will provide a purchase order proposal once a month to the replenishment buyer and a 3 months in advance production schedule to help manufacturers plan their production while reducing cost and the impact on the environment. It's easy to start with only 3 easy steps. First, historical scan data or warehouse cases movement on distribution center basis. 2, weekly inventory report on distribution center basis. And finally, 3, promotional plan. All players will experience multiple advantages. Retailers will benefit from more competitive prices, fresher products on shelf and items always in stock. Distributors will drastically reduce their financial liability in terms of products on hand, setting a safety stock based on sales and replenishment. No more out of stock or overstock. Vendors will better manage lead time and shutdown, deleting all liabilities for products being stored in third-party warehouses and eliminating all inland shipments. Manufacturers will plan productions ahead of time thanks to a 3-month purchasing schedule. Every month they will receive from their client an official PO, allowing them to plan the purchasing of raw materials, packaging, and setting the production space. It works. Agrilogistica carried out a pilot program for a U.S. retailer with more than 400 stores served by over 10 distribution centers, reducing more than 75,000 cases of products in stock and saving over $2 million of liability, with huge savings for all of the players in the supply chain. Automated Replenishment Program also offers the opportunity to enjoy other simplified services like FSMA compliancy, mixed pallets, in and out, and seasonal programs suitable for either branded or private label programs. Agrilogistica's mission is to make the supply chain smarter, using intelligence and data sharing for more competitive goods, reducing the impact on the environment. Agrilogistica, delivering passion.